Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Ashadam sale series lo today we will be showcasing semi tussar sarees andi ikat printed munia bordered semi tussar sarees anedi chudabothunnamu. As usual semi tussar fabric anedi comfortable, soft and easily drapable fabric. Trendy prints lo very affordable pricing lo ee sarees aithe meeku ostundi. And all these sarees different styles of shades, color combination lo manaki ee roju episode lo chupistunnamu. These sarees measures 5.5 meters in length. You get 80 to 90 centimeter blouse, and all these sarees intlo hand wash cheskunte saripotundi. And these sarees weigh below 500 grams, and these sarees are not transparent. Ee roju collections chuddam. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. Me preferred time slot ki meer adigina varieties ni video call chesi chupistamu. Dani nunchi kuda you can pick your favorite sarees. The first design for today, nenu drape cheskunna lavender color semi tussar saree andi. So this saree is a complete printed saree. So lavender base lo contrast white color lo ila manaki diya style motifs aithe throughout the body ostundi, and both sides beige color lo multicolor printed munia borders ostunnai. Green with mustard color combination printed border anedi untundi, and this is the border on one side. So one side of the saree lo ila complete multicolor prints anedi ostundi. Parrot prints and floral prints anedi one side of the saree ku untundi. This is the pallu. పల్లు అనేది కూడా సేమ్ అలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్ లోనే ప్రింటెడ్ పల్లు ఉంటుంది, అండ్ కింద మనకి వేవీ ప్యాటర్న్ ప్రింట్ పల్లుకి వస్తుంది విత్ ఫినిష్ టాజిల్స్. ది సారీ క్యారీస్ ఎ ఫ్లోరల్ ప్రింటెడ్ బ్లౌజ్. ద ఆఫర్ ప్రైస్ ఫర్ దిస్ సారీ is 850 free shipping. The next color combination in semi tussar saree and it's a mustard color semi tussar saree. This saree also carries similar pattern prints like the previous saree in beige color combination. The saree comes with a dual printed border, a munia pattern printed border on either sides in green and mustard color combination. The saree has a printed border, a 10-inch printed border, multicolor printed border on one side, and this is the pallu. So floral multicolor printed pallu with finished tassel. The saree is paired up with a floral printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 850 free shipping. A brown color semi tussar saree with munia pattern borders on either side. This is the next color combination of the semi tussar saree andi. So దీంట్లో కూడా సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో మనకి సారీ ఉంటుంది, కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఒకటి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ బ్రౌన్ షేడ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్, కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్గా లైట్ చాక్లెట్ బ్రౌన్ షేడ్లో ఉంటుంది, అండ్ బేజ్ కలర్ ప్రింటెడ్ మోటివ్స్. బోత్ సైడ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్రీన్ విత్ ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ మునియా ప్యాటర్న్ బార్డర్స్, అండ్ ద సారీ క్యారీస్ అ మల్టీ కలర్ ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్ ఆన్ వన్ సైడ్. ఇట్స్ అ 10-inch printed border. This is the pallu. పల్లు కూడా సేమ్ అలాంటి కలర్ కాంబినేషన్లో printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree comes with a contrast peach and yellow color printed blouse, and the offer price for the saree is 850 free shipping. Moving on to the next pattern in semi tussar, a bottle green with red color saree. So this saree also carries floral printed motifs, dual color combination floral printed motifs running throughout the body, a beige with mustard color printed motifs. The saree carries contrast red color borders, a 5-inch border on either side. It's a geometrical pattern printed border, and this is the pallu. So pallu అనేది beige base మీద complete మనకి printed pallu అనేది వస్తుంది. The saree carries a printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 975 free shipping. A maroon color printed semi tussar saree. It carries the same pattern as the previous saree అండి. సో దీంట్లో మనకి బాడీలో సేమ్ beige and mustard color లో 2 inches కి throughout the body you get floral printed motifs. This saree also carries a contrast red with beige color printed borders, a geometrical pattern printed borders on either sides, and this is the pallu. So pallu is again a contrast beige, red, wine color combination printed pallu. The saree carries a printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 975 free shipping. Moving on to the next color combination in semi tussars, it's a peacock blue with red color semi tussar saree. This saree also carries similar printed patterns like the previous saree in beige with mustard color combination. The saree has a 5-inch border on either side. This is the complete look of the saree. The saree carries a beige color printed pallu, a wine green and red color printed pallu with finished tassels, and you have a printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 975 free shipping. The next pattern in semi tussar, this is the bandhani printed semi tussar saree andi. So coming to the color combination, it's a mustard color saree for which you have contrast beige color bandhani pattern printed motifs. We have a 6 to 7-inch munia borders on either sides, a beige color base on which you have green, pink, sea green and brown color munia pattern printed motifs on either sides of the saree. and this is the pallu. Pallu carries similar print as the borders. Saree comes with a running blouse and the offer price for this saree is 850 free shipping. The next pattern in semi tussar saree andi, idu vachi manaki complete printed sarees with sequence work also comes throughout the saree manaki. So the color of the saree beige with blue color combination, sky blue color combination lo body lo manaki saree color vastundi. We have sequence work running throughout the saree and we have this horizontal stripe pattern prints anedi manaku vastundi. Stripes and paisley printed motifs aithe throughout the body ki vastundi. Both sides manaki beige color base meeda multicolor printed borders vastunnai, and apart from that we also have these ila manaki oka half circle shape lo floral printed borders in different color backgrounds lo manaku vastundi. Sky blue, and again we have a light peach shade and rani pink and mustard. Ila 4 colors anedi manaki alternate avutundi throughout the body of the saree, and this border comes only on one side of the saree. Both the sides we have gold zari weave border and a floral printed border. Throughout the body emo manaki sequence work vastundi, silver sequence work, and throughout the body we also have printed motifs. This is the pallu. So pallu kuda it's a combination of both the borders. So manaki saree lo one side elanti border untundo same ade border combination lo manaki pallu lo complete printed pattern untundi with finished tassels. The saree comes with a blue color floral printed blouse. The offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A beige with red color combination printed saree, a semi tussar saree. So this saree also carries silver sequence work running throughout the body, and we also have these printed borders similar to the previous saree, and idi kuda color combination manaki bright ga untundi, chaala baaguntundi, festivals tagginattu manaki sarees aithe vastundi. And this is the pallu. So the saree comes with a multicolor floral printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree carries a silver sequence floral printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. The next pattern of semi tussars, this is a bandhani printed body with kalamkari printed borders anedi manaku saree kuntundi. So the color combination, so this is the color combination, it's a pink with white color bandhani printed semi tussar saree. This saree carries contrast purple and sky blue color printed borders. So manaki border అనేది షేడెడ్ బార్డర్ లాగా వస్తుంది, 3 inches కి పర్పుల్ బార్డర్, అండ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీకి స్కై బ్లూ, బేజ్, గ్రే ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్స్లో ఒక 6 inches కి మనకి ప్రింటెడ్ బార్డర్స్ అనేది బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీకి ఉంటుంది. This is the pallu. Pallu is again contrast sky blue base మీద we have orange and beige color printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree carries a purple with blue color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A mustard with white color bandhani printed semi tussar saree. So this is the next color combination of the semi tussar saree andi. This saree also carries pink with blue color printed borders. Body mottam mustard with beige color lo bandhani printed motifs unnai, and we have these printed borders pink with sky blue and beige color printed border. This is the pallu, a complete contrast color printed pallu. The saree carries a printed blouse. The offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A purple with bottle green color semi tussar saree. So this is again a bandhani printed saree with a kalamkari pattern printed border. Purple with white color combination printed motifs aithe body kuntundi. Both sides contrast bottle green base lo we have printed borders. Orange, lemon yellow and blue color combination 6 to 7 inch printed border anedi untundi. This is the pallu. Pallu is orange, beige and blue color printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree carries a contrast bottle green color floral printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. The next color combination, it's a sky blue with purple color semi tussar saree. So this saree also carries a similar pattern as the previous saree, a bandhani printed body with a floral printed border. The color combination is looking very exclusive. It's a sky blue color with a contrast purple color printed borders on either side. This is the pallu. It's a complete beige, maroon and purple color printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree carries a contrast purple color blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A purple with mustard color combination semi tussar saree. So this is a bandhani printed saree, purple with white color combination bandhani printed saree. This saree carries maroon with blue color kalamkari pattern printed borders on either sides. The saree also carries a silver zari weave border, and this is the pallu. So the pallu is again a multicolor printed pallu. The saree carries a contrast color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. The next pattern in semi tussars andi, idi kuda manaki bandhani pattern semi tussar saree. So the color combination is very pleasant. It's a green color semi tussar saree. Body mottam manaki multi color lo bandhani printed motifs vastunayi. So it's an orange, beige, yellow and sky blue color combination printed motifs, and both sides manaki light blue shade, pastel blue shade lo ila weaved borders anedi manaku vastunayi. Complete gold zari weave borders, a 5-inch weave border, either side same pattern borders vastunayi, and throughout the body manaki bandhani pattern print vastundi. This is the pallu. It's a contrast maroon color printed pallu, ila multicolor printed pallu anedi manaki vastundi with finished tassels. The saree carries a maroon color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A tomato red with baby pink color combination semi tussar saree. So this saree also carries bandhani printed motifs running through the body. The saree comes with a baby pink color gold zari weave borders on either sides. This is the complete look of the saree, a multicolor bandhani printed saree, and this is the pallu. It's a contrast blue with red color combination printed pallu with finished tassels, and the saree carries a contrast color blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A mustard color semi tussar saree with contrast beige color weave borders. So this saree carries the same pattern as the previous saree. It's a multicolor bandhani printed semi tussar saree with beige color zari woven borders on either side. The saree carries a contrast brown color printed pallu. It's almost a 70 to 80 centimeter printed pallu. The saree comes with a contrast color blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. Moving on to the next pattern in semi tussar andi, a very elegant color combination, and this is a complete shibori and bandhani fusion saree అని చెప్తాను. So this saree is a sea green color saree. The saree carries light pastel green color weave borders. Throughout the body manaki multicolor bandhani print and shibori print అనేది body మొత్తం వస్తుంది. We have weave borders. It's a 5 to 6 inch weave border, and the saree carries a contrast blue color patola pattern printed pallu. So pallu అనేది ఇలా మనకి నేవీ బ్లూ బేస్ కి beige with blue color combination printed pallu అయితే వస్తుంది. The saree carries a navy blue with beige color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A mustard color semi tussar saree. The saree also carries beige color weave borders on either sides. So the pattern of the saree, it's a multicolor shibori and bandhani pattern saree. Complete printed pattern అయితే బాడీకి వస్తుంది. Contrast beige color lo we have the weave borders. It's a 5 to 6 inch weave borders on either sides. This is the pallu. It's a contrast bottle green color patola printed pallu. Bottle green, beige and red color combination printed pallu. Saree carries a beige and bottle green color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. The next color combination in semi tussar andi, it's a sky blue color semi tussar saree. So this saree also carries a similar pattern as the previous saree, complete multicolor printed sarees with weaved borders. It's a 6 inch weaved border on either side. This is the pallu. It's a patola pattern printed pallu in same color combination navy blue, white and pink color combination printed pallu. The saree carries a contrast color blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. A rani pink color bandhani printed semi tussar saree matched with contrast baby pink color weave borders. So this is the complete look of the saree. Rani pink base meeda we have beige, bottle green, purple and red color combination printed motifs running through the body. The saree also carries baby pink color weaved borders on either side. This is the pallu, a very different color combination pallu, a brown color pallu with contrast mustard, sky blue and white color printed motifs. So this is the color combination of the pallu. The saree carries a contrast color printed blouse, and the offer price for this saree is 999 free shipping. So ee roju manam semi tussars lo complete bandhani printed, shibori printed and even manaki munia printed sarees kuda chusamandi. All these are very very comfortable fabric, and it's coming at a very affordable price. So deentlo meeku edi kavalana just send a screenshot to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. You can also shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. Ee video nachindante video ni like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and please subscribe to our channel to receive our regular updates. Thank you and happy shopping.